Hello everybody, welcome back to the channel, and if you're new here, please consider subscribing. Everyone hit the likes, hit the comments. And so today we're working on a 2005 Honda Ridgeline, the fake pickup truck. We're going to be removing this front bumper due to some damage. Now the impact did remove or damage some of the clips, but that's where we're gonna start. Now I got everything but my cup. Let me go grab me a cup to put all these clips and screws in, and we'll give it right back to you. Okay, got my little cup. Can't remember if I did or not, but this is a 2005 Honda Ridgeline. It's not exactly a task to remove, just a lot of little clips. You pretty much got to remove this this trim here. So let me remove this trim. When I get to this intake part, I'll show you how I get to that part. But let me get all these clips out. I'm a lot faster when I'm not filming, so let me take care of that, and I'll get right back to you guys. All right, I'm at the intake part. I already removed the clip on the side here. Just get these two out. There's two of them there. Well, yeah, there's the other one. And that's it. Then you just get whatever remaining clips, if there are any, and lift it out of place. See, you remove that trim, you'll find a couple more clips. It's supposed to be a whole bunch here, but obviously this car has been tampered with. Alright, and that's it for the top. Now it's time to get in the bottom. There should be a couple 10 mils. I already checked it out. They're all broken off. The screws are there, but where they attach is broken off. I've got one 10 millimeter here in the corner. Both sides should have one in the corner. You undo that and the bumper will just fly right off. So let me go get my tool and take care of that. Alright, sorry folks, but I was wrong. It's supposed to be a 10 millimeter, but if somebody replaced it with an 8. So, said this bumper has been tampered with before. That's it, just remove that screw. So let me get to removing this screw. Like I said, everything's better with two hands. The whole bottom is broken off. And as you can see, you got 10 mils here, but where it attaches is broke. So as soon as I get that one screw off, it should just fly right up. So let me get this screw out and I'll show you how to pop the clip out. All right, got the screw out. You just pretty much get a good grip. You look for anything that it can snag on and just pull on it. Hondas have a clip underneath the headlight, so sometimes you gotta fight with it. There you go. Sorry guys. All right, it looks like I have one screw that's still attached right there. So let me get under there, undo that screw, and this bumper will come out. Alright, like I was saying, underneath everything's broken off from the impact. It seems minimal, but sometimes those are the ones that hurt the most. Just gotta undo this one bolt, which is a 10 millimeter. And the bumper will be all out. Now if you guys watched one of my other videos, you know As soon as I rip this bumper off, I'm going to be inspecting for any more damage. See, while I'm down here, take a good look. Make sure I don't see anything leaking or about to fall on my head. Alright, well, let me get this bumper off. Alright, here we go. See if I can do this all with one hand. One more screw. Holy cow. Even though it's all ripped up, it still wants to hang strong. Alright, guys. Let me zip through that real quick and get right back to you guys. Alright, easy peasy. Like I said, everything's torn up and they would all be replaced, so no big deal. That bolt seized up on me, which is typical for these Hondas. Those bumper bolts always seize up. I also noticed that this bracket is broken. Fender has a little bit of damage, and so doesn't the light. Just things that we gotta address. The bracket looks solid, but it looks like a little damage here. Nothing that affects a fitment. Actually, that 8mm might be a factory thing, and the fender is bent there. So alright guys, it seems that if you can't get a 10 in there, then you know it's an 8mm at the corners. So let me rip out this hardware and give it a nice inspection. Let me see. Make sure nothing else is loose, nothing else is broken. This fender liner is ripped, which will be replaced also. But that's about it. 2005 Honda Ridgeline front bumper. Not exactly a hard mission. It looks like I've got a coolant leak. Could be the cap or the radiator, and it looks like it's been happening for a while, so we're gonna have to have the mechanics take a chance to see if they can pressure test it and see where it's coming from. But other than that, please subscribe, hit the likes, hit the comments, and the most important thing, be nice to each other and share the love. I just wanted to show you guys this quick Honda bumper. Not exactly the hardest thing in the world to do. Take your time. Again, I appreciate you guys coming through. All right, guys. Peace out.